We're here with our beautiful patient Iman, who is now 5 weeks out from post-traumatic rhinoplasty and a brow lift. The tail of her brow was a little bit lower than the inner portion of her brow. And it's creating a little bit of heaviness to the lateral side portion of the upper eye. We got that arch of the brow up and this tail of the brow up, and it's just really helped with the overall appearance of the brow and the eye. How are you liking that?
I really like the change. I felt that it opened up my face. I look a lot more awake.
Iman had a traumatic nasal fracture about 2.5 years ago, which is when I initially met her. And we can see here that even though we put those bones back into position, she still had some residual deviation. We've gotten the nose nice and straight, and beautiful tip contours and highlights are beginning to show themselves. One of the things that Iman had was a little bit of notching of this nostril rim. And that little bit of notching can create a downward appearance to the nose, when in fact the nose is not actually pointing down. We've corrected that and given her just a little bit more tip definition and elevation, and I think her profile is looking gorgeous now.